Greetings, I'm going to walk you through installing Cora SEO on a Mac. When you download the DMG file, you double click it. It will show you this dialog box where you just drag and drop Cora into your applications folder. If you try to launch Cora from your applications, you might get this message. Okay, so if you do, don't worry, it just means it's a new app and you haven't given it permission to run. The way you do that is you go into your applications folder, you right click and say open. It'll ask you, are you sure? Yes, it'll remember. And then Cora will run. And you can access settings to install your license key. And then you should be good to go. Pretty much.